Ma'am, as we have seen, the Indian government has came from four GST slabs to the two GST slabs now. Is the Indian government trying to go on the one GST slab, which comes with one nation, one GST?
Not now.
So in
Maybe sometime much later. Let us say, I'm not fixing a time. Once we achieve a level of development, see, why is there a need for more than one rate? With the level of development that we have in India, which is not uniform across the country, some parts are more developed, some are less developed, and therefore the people living in these different areas of development cannot treat an object the same as some other area does. And in other words, developed area can afford to buy goods with a little higher tax. I'll repeat one example which the previous finance minister who introduced the GST and my mentor, I would say, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, had taken this example of, can a Benz car and a Hawaii chapel be treated the same way and have one tax? Cannot. The person who's buying Hawaii chapel is still in a level of development where he can't afford to pay for his chapel a higher rate of tax. Whereas a person who buys a Benz car, buying the Benz car, he'll be in a position to give a bit more. So for Benz car and chapel, if you have the same rate, foreign India, as it stands today, will be unjust. And that is why there is no one rate, one GST. Maybe sometime in the future when India is a lot more developed and the development is across the country, it is possible.